In this video, you will learn how to prepare 0.1 normal solution of KMnO4.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe our channel for informative videos.
Required apparatus and chemicals include a weight balance, potassium permanganate means KMnO4, distilled water, a stirrer, an empty beaker, a spatula, a funnel, and volumetric flask of 1000 milliliters. Let's do some calculations. We have to find out the normality. So normality is equal to number of gram equivalent weight divided by volume of solution, which is 1000 milliliters. So molecular weight of KMnO4 is 39.1 for potassium plus 54.9 for manganese plus 16 into 4 for oxygen. So molecular weight of KMnO4 is 158 grams per mole. We know that number of gram equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by acidity or basicity. So equivalent weight is equal to 158 grams per mole divided by 1, because acidity of KMnO4 is 1. So gram equivalent weight is equal to 158 grams. We also know that for 1 normal is 158 grams, but we have to find out for 0.1, so multiply it on both sides. For 0.1 normal, it's 15.8 grams. Let's start preparation. Take a weight balance and power it on. Now put petri dish on it and tear it down. Start adding KMnO4 into this petri dish with the help of spatula. Measure it precisely up to 15.8 grams. Now add this into the distilled water in a beaker. You can take distilled water up to 500 milliliter. Now make a homogeneous mixture of it. Pour the solution into the measuring flask of 1000 milliliter with the help of a funnel. You have to fill the volumetric flask up to the 1000 milliliter point. For that, you would have to add more distilled water into it. So take some distilled water into the empty beaker and start pouring it into the volumetric flask with the help of funnel. Fill it up to the 1000 milliliter point, and you have successfully prepared 0.1 normal solution of KMnO4. You can store it in any bottle you want.